Okay, so the shadow on the side of Grace's face on her right-hand side is a little bit strong, for a nice, soft, gentle photograph of a young girl. So what I'm going to do is get Miss 12 to come in with a very expensive karate gi reflector and just pop in some light back into the face. Let's just pull that out again for a second, Emily. And back in. And you'll see how we're just popping just a little bit extra light into that side of the face there. Now, because I need to photograph it, and I can't hold the video, and my other assistant is holding the reflector, we just won't have photos. I'll take some photos, but we won't have video of this next shot.